blue corner, this fighter is 24 years of age. He weighed in at 65 kilograms. He represents a Nova Forza. He is Arron, the top dog, Blackburn. And fighting at the red corner, this fighter is 29 years of age. He weighed in at 65.8 kilograms. He represents the Mad Hatter's Asylum. He is Declan Marshall.
Top dog looks like a lot bigger.
Oh! Oh! And they're really exchanging. I'm not going to lie, I'm not a fan of that. If you're going to touch gloves, touch gloves. If you're going to punch, punch. Don't do both.
Declan hunting the takedown, and he's got it.
Declan with a big slam. Big slam. They're inside control. Great shoulder pressure. Now it'll be interesting to see what Top Dog's game is from the bottom.
Bottom dog right now. He's got a
Oh,
sweeping start. Hey, Top Dog.
Do you know what? Credit to him. He's reversed the position. Great job.
I expect a good guard from Declan. He trains with good guys.
You know what? He's calm and relaxed. He's holding position at the minute.
Just stifling.
It'll be interesting to see.
And he's up. He's up.
That's what we wanted to see.
Does Top Dog want it on the feet? Both guys banging hard.
Both men exchanging.
Oh, big right hand.
And you can see from Top Dog, I think he wants to slow the pace down, but Declan is having none of it.
Top Dog's got a piston jab.
Hands up, Arron, hands up.
Declan came here for a war.
Heavy lever.
Heavy. Oh! Top Dog turning his back a little bit.
He's giving up double underhooks. He could get taken down again. Holding the head isn't going to help.
He's holding the head, but what we'd prefer is just to see him just shoot that left hand under for the underhook.
Lovely little trip.
Now I think the mistake Declan made earlier is that he was in a bit of a rush. At the minute, hopefully what we'll see him do is take his time, secure position, and then move from there. Oh, Declan's cut. I don't know where it came from, but he's bleeding.
Got the mount position.
Lovely to take the mount.
Against the cage, if he gets his head against the cage, it's a problem. Top Dog needs to not to hold him, he needs to get him off.
Now what we would want to see from Top Dog is seeing him push his hands on the hips, push Declan's hips back, try and wall walk from that position. At the minute, he's just holding, and it's not enough to stop Declan posturing up and punching.
Declan's right next to his corner man, which is always nice to hear their advice and encouragement.
And you see what a veteran move from Declan. You see him just covering Top Dog's mouth, stifling the breathing of him.
Yeah, he's got Jack McGee in his corner, a very experienced fighter in his own right.
But you know what? It's great to see someone calm enough to be able to listen to their corner, take the advice.
Yeah, sure is. It's not easy to do.
Top Dog, he's having a tough time right now. Like, even if he's not able to push off of the hips, seeing him rotate his body and maybe put his feet on the cage. And
giving his back, he's giving the choke.
He's giving up his back.
I don't know.
No, it doesn't look like it's on though. It doesn't look like it's on at the minute. But Declan raining down big punches.
Top Dog saved himself from a problem there. Oh. And that's the end of the round. Good sweep off the bell.
I'm sure they've still got more in the tank, but the pace of that first round, they're both feeling it. Big right hand. Oh, turned his back again. You know, just I think Top Dog's corner should speak to him about. Oh, and Top Dog has reversed the position.
They should speak to him about doing that.
Just as I was about to criticize, he shut me right up. Now, you know, in the first round, Top Dog spent a lot of time on his back, so it'll be interesting to see if he can keep Declan down there for this round.
Quite a busy guard though from Declan, making it quite difficult for Top Dog to get any good work off.
And this is the thing. I think Top Dog struggled a little bit because Declan got a dominant position and stayed in that position. At the minute, Declan off his back, he's not allowing the dominant position to stay. He's very active off his back, feet on the hips.
He let him up.
Very strange. Top Dog just kind of stepped back and let him up. I feel like maybe the pace is getting to him a little bit.
He's backing away, but not throwing much. Heavy shots though.
Declan is absolutely hunting him down right now.
I think Declan's feeling very strong. Yeah, he's got him down.
He's got him down, and I think in the first round, Declan was able to have a lot of success from top position. I think he'll have the same success again now, but it'll be interesting to see what Top Dog has in the tank, whether he can try and regain guard.
He's doing the classic head squeeze at the moment.
See, Top Dog, you know what? I'm very happy to see that. I wasn't sure whether he was going to be able to regain guard, but I think that's a much better position for him. But now he can't just stay there. He can't stay there. Declan's going to work from there, land some big punches. What we want to see from Top Dog is maybe him try and work the guard, feet on the hips, try and get a butterfly sweep, but just something. I don't think he can just stay there. Now, you heard from Declan's corner, they told him to posture up, but Declan doing the right thing. He's moving into a better position. And Top Dog is showing that he's still got some fighting spirit in him.
But it's just here and there, an occasional attempt. He needs to be busy all the time. That's what Declan was on the bottom. He's giving the back up as well.
He's giving his back up.
Maybe a little bit tired.
I think Top Dog is really feeling the pace, but when he gets into some really bad positions, he's using his energy to get out, but he could use his energy to not get there in the first place. But he's having a tough time, but he's still battling. He's still doing a great job. Now, we'll see whether Declan will posture up and land some punches from here.
You're looking for the
arm
arm choke.
triangle. But if Top Dog had the clacker, he'll hold on. He'll hold on.
Oh, he didn't hear it.
No! Oh! Man, great job from Declan, but I feel like Top Dog is going to be hurting if he knew how long was left in that round.
What do you think? 3?